This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your Kraken account. Follow these steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account tab on the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access security settings. In the account settings menu, find the security section. This is where you can manage various security features, including restrictions. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Look for the option related to automatic restrictions. This may be labeled as automatic limits or similar. Disable this feature by toggling the switch or unchecking the box. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to confirm your new settings. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on your Kraken account. Always remember to review your account settings regularly to maintain optimal security and functionality.